Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can get marketplace on Facebook. So as you guys can see at the bottom of my screen, I don't have Facebook Marketplace. Now it is not removed by Facebook, it is hidden by Facebook. To unhide it, what I can do is click on my profile picture at the bottom right of my screen, and once I'm on my profile, I need to click on the setting icon at the top right. From over here, I need to scroll a bit down until I see navigation bar and click on navigation bar. And from over here at the top where it says customized bar, click on that. Now over here you want to find marketplace. So my marketplace is at the bottom. Right beside marketplace, hidden is chosen. So what I need to do is click on hidden and choose pin. Once I choose pin, as you guys can see, marketplace will appear at the bottom. Now what I can do is basically click on the marketplace logo and I will have access to Facebook Marketplace and I can start using it. So that is basically how we guys can get marketplace on Facebook if you don't see it. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.